Okay, Mercruiser engine, 4.3 LX, and in the back here you can see the connections right there, and I believe that's where there's one on each side is where the valves are going to go. So I just loosened up the 4 bands there, and they are loose, and I'm going to use a tool to pry it off. So for this, I just used, and I pried it in there to loosen it up. And I'll work my way around. Loosen it up as much as I can, and then I'm going to do that on the bottom too. I went ahead and removed the bands. You can see they've fallen down there, and these, because they were actually holding it in place a little bit more. So I didn't remove them completely, I just loosened them enough. Actually got it so that it will move up and down some. So now I just got to get it over the edges. And you can see it moves up and down some, so I'm good and loose. So I'm going to work it off here and see how tight. I got it. So you have to lift up because the pipe going in is smaller than the pipe coming out, and you can see that there is nothing left to that flapper. I'm going to look down in there to make sure there aren't any more flapper pieces, but one did come out my bellows. I noticed it squirting it out one day. So you got to work it. Rotate it, spin it around. You really can't spin it. You just got to turn it and just pull up. Probably a little bit of oil might help, but right now that's kind of what we have. So I'm going to put the new one in and we'll see what happens. So as you can see, I just kind of got a bite on it to pry that bar out. So I'm going to grab it from the inside and pry that piece out, and I'll check back. And voila, it is removed. So these things are pretty beat up, but they go in from the outside, as you can see. So just pry them out with a screwdriver. I'm going to put the new one in here. And okay, so I think the new one is installed correctly. They kind of stay open, but have a tendency to close on their own. And you can see these are new, just installed on each side, nice and flat, and that's it. And you slide that back down and put the clamps back on, put everything back together. We should be good to go. I only ordered one, so I think I'm going to do the other one too. But I know parts of this came out. It's kind of hard to drop that thing down in there because it's too wide to fall down in. But so it's a little tricky getting it in, but it's not too bad.